It all started with this crazy idea. So I reached out to my creative director for his thoughts.
Wow, that sounds pretty ambitious for such small kids, eh?
I think they could do it, though.
I really like, to push creative boundaries, so let's go for it.
We got straight to work. Planning out all the details turned out to be easier than I initially thought it would be. But it turns out there are things you can't always plan for. And that had me a bit worried. And the results were amazing. They were just perfectly imperfect.